Today, during an inspection of the truck, we discovered an issue that could pose a serious safety hazard for the vehicle. We found that one of the wheel mounting studs is broken. The missing nut means the wheel is not properly secured. It's important to pay attention to this area because the rusty stains under the remaining bolts could indicate a long-standing problem that needs addressing. Corrosion can be caused by moisture, dirt, road salt, especially in winter, and other contaminants that build up in these areas. Keep in mind that moisture and dirt can weaken the material of the stud, which can lead to it breaking or snapping off. Another factor that can contribute to damage is over-tightening the nuts during installation. Excessive force on the stud can weaken it. It's also important to ensure the wheel is properly aligned with the hub and is well balanced, as uneven load distribution can place excessive pressure on the studs. Additionally, repeated tightening and loosening of the nuts can cause the studs to lose their strength, making them more susceptible to damage. If the studs are made from low-quality material, they will be more prone to corrosion and mechanical failure. Regular inspections of these components are crucial to avoid more severe damage and ensure safety for both the driver and other road users. In this video, we show you what the damage looks like and what consequences may arise from neglecting such issues. If you've encountered a similar problem, share your experiences in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I invite you to subscribe to the channel and comments.